Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss an important legal topic, that is the difference between the Indian Penal Code IPC and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS. With the introduction of BNS, India has witnessed a significant shift in its legal framework. Let's dive into the key differences and why this reform was necessary. Why compare IPC and BNS? The Indian Penal Code (IPC) was drafted in 1860 and served as India's criminal law framework for over 160 years. However, as society evolved, many provisions became outdated. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita aims to update and simplify our legal system by addressing modern challenges like cybercrime, terrorism, and organized crime. Let's now explore how these two legal code compare. Historical evolution of IPC, a legacy from British India. The Indian Penal Code was drafted in 1860 and came into force in 1862. Though it was updated over the years, it largely remained rooted in British era legal principles. It classified crimes systematically and assigned punishments, but with time, it needed a major change. Emergence of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. On August 11, 2023, the government proposed a major legal reform, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, to replace IPC. This law came into force on December 25, 2023, aiming to bring justice, efficiency, and modernization into India's criminal system. Structural differences between IPC and BNS. A major change is that BNS reduces the number of chapters and sections, making it more streamlined. While IPC focused mainly on punishments, BNS aims at delivering justice and fairness. It also eliminates irrelevant colonial laws to better suit modern India. Key changes in BNS. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita brings several important changes. It includes new age crimes like cybercrime, terrorism, and mob lynchings. The definition of gender now includes transgender, and electronic records are formally recognized as legal documents. Lesser offenses now involve community service instead of jail time, ensuring fairer justice. Impact on Indian legal system. BNS is a game changer. It reduces case backlogs, strengthens punishments for modern crimes, and ensures a justice focused approach. This marks a shift into British era law to an Indian centric legal framework, making justice more accessible and fair. To conclude, IPC was a strong legal foundation, but with evolving challenges, India needed a legal framework that aligns with modern realities. BNS achieves this by bringing legal charity, fairness, and effectiveness. This is a historic legal reform aimed at making India's legal system more efficient and just. That's all for today on IPC versus BNS. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more legal insights.